Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix up remove black boxes on the desktop icon Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay, guys. In this video tutorial, I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first of all, in the search bar, type of File Explorer options. Okay, guys, open up, type on File Explorer options. Now open it. Now you can go to your view options and make sure that selected the show hidden file and folders and devices. Click on apply and OK button. After that, in the search box, type a run. Open a run command and type our command is percentage local app data and percentage. Press OK to continue. Scroll down and now you can see that it shows the icon caches. Okay guys, now select it and right click and delete it. After that, close it and restart your system. And I'm sure that after doing this, that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box, type a CMD and open a command prompt. Right click, run as administrator. After opening the command, first of all, type a command is sfc space slash scan now and press enter. After that, it's required of a few minutes to complete this process. After completing that, now type a command is dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health and press enter. Now it's required of a few minutes to complete this process.
Senta fare, अच्छा दूर ही आना तेरे तो पैसे लेके जाएगा तो
After completing type exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.